Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Uranus, rules Aquarius, exaltation Scorpio, detriment Leo, fall Taurus, GIF, derivation of letter H for its discoverer, Herschel, in 1781, represents, freedom urge, divine discontent, anatomy, the higher nervous system, body electricity, the ankles, keyword, the awakener, general, rules inventions, originality, science, electricity, magic, the occult, light, astrology, psychology, X-rays, airplanes and insight into nature's laws. It is futuristic, humanitarian, intellectual, eccentric, bohemian, egotistical and utopian. It also governs creative will, sudden change, revolution and dictators, individualism, ingenuity, rebellions and autonomy. Its action is sudden, unexpected and often violent. Uranus is a breaker of traditions. It is neutral and sexless and considered by many to be the upper octave of Mercury and the first of the transcendental planets. Recent research also associates Uranus with natural disasters, particularly earthquakes. Where you find Uranus in the horoscope is where you tend to do the unusual. 10th house, it mean public. It shows your public life, reputation, profession, authorities, apparent, status, ego. Natural sign is Capricorn. Natural ruler is Saturn. Keyword is honor. 10th house is a house of substance and earth. Quality is angular house. General. The 10th house shows your career, reputation and position in the community. And it shows your ego, status, reputation, promotion, ambition, business and social activities, your employer, the government or any other agency for you. This house shows your achievements, how the world recognize and evaluate you and your influence in your own circle. Here we see the church as an organization and opposite parents from the one represented by your 4th home. Uranus in the 10th house. The planet Uranus is in the 10th house of your natal chart, indicating that you have an extraordinary career where you can add something original and valuable to society. You may feel restless in a profession, sometimes wanting a complete change in life direction. You are likely to experience different forms of employment throughout your life, either by your own choice or by unexpected external circumstances. This can bring you credit for being valued as a unique and creative employee. It can also create problems if your employers require harmony and teamwork. You dislike being constrained by rules, regulations and routine at work, preferring the freedom to follow your own talents and ideas. You can become self-employed, giving you complete freedom to pursue your own career path. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.